Namaskaram again. I hope everyone has checked the foundation breathing, whether you are breathing correct or not, and tried to rectify it. I hope everyone. The foundation breathing which we had discussed in last video while sitting, which can be done while sleeping also, that you can try it today, sleeping in the bed and keeping your hand like this and breathing in, coming out, and breathing out, going in. Okay, while sleeping, while lying in the bed. Okay, try to make sure that you do it right. Okay, it has to be while breathing in, it has to come out, and while breathing out, it should come in. Okay, this is very very simple practice. Okay, what I am going to share with you, it's very very simple practice which can be done. Okay, now I'm just moving ahead to the next foundation technique or practice. Okay, which you will be standing like this. Okay, I'm just standing. Okay, and try to keep your hand like this. Okay, right above the left, and leave it freely. Okay, leave it freely. Okay, it can hang it can hang down. Okay, okay, and I'm just taking a deep breath in, filling the stomach. Okay, the last breathing. Okay, last video we have discussed, while breathing in it should fill the stomach. The same way I'm breathing it, and I'm connecting with another practice. Okay, that breathing is same as in video 2, the foundation breathing, and I'm adding it, add on. Okay, add on is famous. I'm just adding on with another practice. It's also very simple, like keeping your hand like this, and I'm taking the foundation breathing in, and breathing out. What I am did, while breathing in, I'm going back and seeing my hand, and breathing out. Very very simple, very very simple. One practice is while sitting, and next practice is while standing, so that you gain the energy, the oxygen all over the body, all over the body. Okay, and also you are moving all your body parts. Okay, like hands, hips. Okay, it's just bending, that is also good for the hip area. At the same time, you are inhaling maximum amount of energy. Okay, okay, I'm just doing it again. Just see me, I'm just keeping my hand and hanging it, touching my navel like this. Anyway, it's fine. The motive of doing this practice is you have to get in the maximum amount of oxygen. Okay, filling the stomach. Okay, filling the stomach, and going back. See this, I'm just breathing in, and breathing out. I'm just, while seeing my hand, after inhaling the maximum capacity, I'm just leaving it for 2-3 seconds and then breathing out. Okay, I hope everyone is clear. If any doubts or how to do it, you can just let me know. I'll try to help you. But it's very simple practice, no need of any kind of what to say, complexity. It's very simple. Only simple thing I'm just sharing. Very simple thing I'm just sharing. Okay, I'm just giving my hand like this. Okay, this is the practice for the foundation breathing 1 is over. Foundation breathing 2, and this has to be done once you do the foundation breathing 1, and this has to be continuous while standing. Okay, how many how many breaths? 10 is fine. Okay, for breathing foundation breathing 1, 10 is fine, and foundation breathing 2, 10 is fine. Okay, and benefits, you will experience it. Okay, slowly you will be able to experience that you gain all your weakness will try to reduce, and you will gain the energies. Okay, try it and see, and let me know. I'll try to help it. And thank you. Namaskaram. We will meet again.